Hello everybody and welcome back. I am happy to announce I will be attending Anime Los Angeles. It'll be January 9th through the 12th. It'll be held at the Ontario Convention Center and also next to the Ontario Doubletree Airport Hotel. This will be my first time doing this convention. I'm really excited about it. I'll have a booth. I'll be doing workshops, panels, and even more exciting is I have two dear friends that will be coming as well, Les Claypool and Mary Claypool, and these two have done amazing audio work for all the films you've seen. Great Japanese films being translated and being dubbed to English. They've done such films as Ninja Scrolls, Macross, Akira, Guyver 2, to name a few. Oh, Cowboy Bebop even. Large body of work, and it can be great to hang out with those two. Also, I will have a booth. I will have buttons, stickers, new 8x10s to sign. Please come by and say hi. I'm looking forward to seeing all your amazing cosplays. And if you people are new to cosplay, go to my website, eviltedsmith.com, where I have numerous panels for sale. While you're at it, get on my mailing list. If this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm really excited. I've always been looking for a Los Angeles con that I can call home. I think Anime Los Angeles is going to be the one. Looking forward to guys seeing you there, and I'll catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel.